Welcome back. A new day. Alright. Had the clutches soaking overnight. I said I had to do it 24 hours. You don't have to. I mean, 30 minutes even is fine. A lot of people do it. I just prefer to let them soak good. So, the original system, clutch system had five of these plates. No, I'm sorry, six. Six of these plates. 5 of the steel. So they went to a different system. They don't make this system anymore. So you can convert this to a 7-plate, 6 steel system, and that's what we're doing here. And it's just a matter of alternating these. These are all new plates. I cleaned them all off in brake fluid because they came with some oil on them, sticky oil. My old XS1, that still has the original setup in that one. But because these were all stuck, I just figured I'd go ahead and see what it's like to put the new system in it. Yeah, I got a bunch of noisy neighbors today. I was out cutting our lawns. I did mine the other day. I'm sure with having a different number of plates in here, clutch adjustment's going to be different. There is one thing. If you have an original system, a lot of them came with these rubber things between the plates, around the plates. And you have to remove them. You can hear my neighbors outside. Maybe. Let's not forget this. The plunger won't work without that. All right, let's get on with this. There we go. Now, my new spring kit. I will be right back. Alright, when I say spring kit, actually it does not include any springs. It's just pretty much like the keepers. So we have to reuse the old springs. Let's get all those ready. I've never used this kit before. Figured I'd give it a shot, you know. And I have one screw that's stuck in this spring. There we go. So pretty much you just put this keeper in here, put the screw in through here, and that's it, and you just do it to all of them. I was out here earlier. I didn't record anything because it was another marathon gasket scraping session for the rocker covers. Now this should take care of everything on this side, I hope, although I'm not putting the cover on yet after this. I like to tighten these, you know, in a cross pattern too, because as you're cranking it up, you're pulling the springs in. My neighbor's yard isn't that big. It's about the size of mine, and it takes me maybe, you know, 20 minutes to cut the backyard. I swear to God, this guy behind me, his lawnmower's been running for like an hour. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but he's moving too. You can hear him moving. Cut. I don't know if he started out on a real high and he's doing it again. Alright, they're all bottomed out, only bottom out, I mean, that's as far as that can go, so you just really need to snug these bolts up. That should do it. Hopefully this damn thing works now. Definitely needs to be adjusted. Let's just give it, I'm not setting it because I still have to take this cover off, but I'm just curious. Oh yeah, I can see him moving, that's good. I don't have a shifter on, I can't put a gear, but yeah, we're good. Happy about that. Alright, on to the next thing. Alright, so I'm replacing these carburetor boots. Probably hard to see from through there, but there are some cracks on them going around, and there's some damage up here. And you know, they're available, so I'll put them in, reuse this little cage thing, some new bolts and new gasket, and I got one side in, and we'll do the other. All right. I guess next, I'm gonna start taking the fender off. Start doing some work on that. Gotta get rid of this. It's one fender bracket. This is the rectifier. It was no good. Remember when I plugged it in, it was shorting everything out. So we're going to change this whole charging system. I'm not sure the charging system I'm going to put in it yet. I do have one that's for the XS2, which I could put in here, or I could try something new. We'll see. Should we go check out the brakes? They're Yamaha. They're not bad. Drum looks good. All right, I'll just put these here for now. No. Close. So, swing arm's off, cover's off. I gotta take the sprocket off to get the chain off, but then I have to split the chain because I think it's a one of those master links that gets pressed in. And I'm gonna change the chain, the sprockets anyway, so that's all that. We have our awesome charging system. This I want to take off, paint this. I've got new hardware and spring for it. But we got quite a bit done today. Gonna have to change that rear tire. So I put all the back stuff back on the bike. Then we can start working on the front end. We still got some work to do here too. There's a lot going on. But thanks for watching, and I will catch you on the next episode. Please like, share, subscribe, and I will catch you later.